Hi guys, thanks for joining. Today we're discussing a penny stock that has been making insane moves in the last few years and could potentially have one more right around the corner. The stock we're discussing today is Premier African Minerals Limited. They're a UK mining and exploration company developing a portfolio of strategic metals and mineral projects located across Africa. Sounds pretty boring, right? They're actually one of the, if not the best performing stock over the past 3 years. They've exploded with a 2,000% gain from their low point of 0.04 pence a share back in December of 2020. But why? And surely that's the end of the big moves, right? Absolutely not. This stock has some more incredible news right around the corner, with investors anticipating more big moves as a result of this. First, let's explain what got them into this dream position. So essentially, they're mining extremely sought-after minerals, such as lithium, tungsten, and tantalum. All of these minerals are crucial components within the electric vehicle market, which, as we all know, is set to grow exponentially in the coming years. So there's going to be no problem finding customers if they manage to uncover these rare minerals, which they're likely to do in great quantities, as the company has come out to confirm their sample findings have exceeded expectations greatly, particularly within their Zulu lithium plant as confirmed recently from their CEO George Roach. Zimbabwe holds some of the world's biggest hard rock lithium deposits and has recently attracted about $700 million in investment from several Chinese firms, including Canmax, which also bought a 13.38% stake in Premier last year. Now, what makes their Zulu lithium plant so special is the fact that it has taken a huge amount of work to get it fully functioning to the state it is in now, due to the fact that it was operated on last in the 60s. This has meant George Roach and his team have had to rebuild a huge amount of this, as mentioned here by the man himself.
You know, if you want to build a mine in the middle of Europe, you can find that there's a power line overhead and there's a water supply from somewhere. And there's a garbage truck to take your rubbish away. And somebody else has got a quarry to bring you the dimensional stone, or not the dimensional stone, the aggregate to do whatever you've got to do. All of these things you get. Yeah, you get nothing. We've started from scratch, and that's why I think it adds so much value to the community as well.
Literally brings us to where we are right now, busy building a mine.
So I thought I'd leave in a bit of extra footage there so you can really gain an understanding of what they've built here. Their Zulu lithium mine is an enormous project, and incredibly, George and his team completed the build on March 29th, 2022, pretty recently. So 2 months down the line, what have we got? Premier African Minerals have come out and stated that their Zulu project can produce 50,000 tons of spodumene annually. That's enough to manufacture over 6 million electric car batteries for those of you struggling to put it into context. With production confirmed in April, and first shipments expected around the beginning of May, investors are pretty excited right now regarding the moves Premier African Minerals could make once revenue has been confirmed. As it is definitely worth considering the fact the stock moved 2,000% before even mining anything here at their Zulu plant. Speculations of the 2, maybe even 3 penny mark are rife within inside investors, with many doubling down on their position. CEO George Roach has issued another £1.76 million worth of shares last week and actually purchased £100,000 himself, increasing his ownership to 7.1% and exemplifying his confidence in his company's stock. Although this is definitely a good thing for the company, it did cause a minor dip in the share price, giving investors mixed emotions. Zooming out to the year-to-date chart, however, this week's 13% dip is massively overshadowed by its 65% gain from January 1st. So what do you think about stock ticker Prem? Have new investors missed the boat? Or could these sales around the corner send this stock to record highs? As always, be sure to do your own due diligence, as I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for entertainment purposes only. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like and comment your thoughts below on Premier African Minerals, or any other stocks you'd like me to look into. Have a great day, guys. Until next time.